Have you ever imagined dropping an egg from a height and watching it survive? It sounds impossible, right? That's the challenge. Get ready to put your engineering skills to the test with the Egg Drop Challenge, a fun and exciting experiment that has captivated people of all ages. The Egg Drop Challenge is a classic science experiment that is as entertaining as it is educational. It's a test of ingenuity, creativity, and problem-solving where you're tasked with designing and building a contraption that can protect a raw egg from cracking when dropped from a significant height. The beauty of this challenge lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to participate. All you need is a raw egg, some basic materials, and a good dose of imagination. So gather your friends and family, and let's embark on this exciting journey of defying gravity and saving our fragile friends from a smashing fate. Picture this. You're standing at the top of a staircase, a fragile egg nestled precariously in your hand. Your heart races as you prepare to let go, sending the egg plummeting towards the hard ground below. Will it survive, or will it splat into 1,000 pieces? That, my friends, is the essence of the Egg Drop Challenge. This captivating experiment is a true test of physics and engineering principles, but don't worry, you don't need a PhD to participate. The goal is simple: to create a protective enclosure for your egg using a variety of materials, ensuring that it can withstand the force of impact upon landing. Imagine a parachute gently lowering your egg to safety, or a cushion of bubble wrap absorbing the shock of the fall. These are just a few examples of the limitless possibilities. The Egg Drop Challenge is all about thinking outside the box, experimenting with different designs, and finding innovative solutions to protect your delicate cargo. Now let's dive into the science behind this egg-sighting challenge. The fate of our fragile friend rests upon understanding a few key concepts. Firstly, we have gravity, that invisible force that pulls everything towards the ground. The higher the drop, the faster the egg falls and the harder it hits the ground. This brings us to our next concept: force. When the egg hits the ground, it experiences a sudden and powerful force. Our mission is to minimize this force and prevent it from reaching the egg's delicate shell. How do we do that? By increasing the time it takes for the egg to come to a stop. Think of a car crash. If the car hits a solid wall, it stops abruptly, resulting in a massive force on the passengers. But if the car hits a crash barrier that crumples upon impact, it extends the time it takes for the car to stop, reducing the force experienced by those inside. Now for the fun part: designing your egg-saving contraption. Don't worry, you don't need fancy materials or complex engineering skills. The beauty of the Egg Drop Challenge lies in its simplicity. Let's explore some easy and effective designs that you can create using everyday household items. 1. The classic parachute. This timeless design uses a large surface area to create air resistance, slowing down the egg's descent. A simple plastic bag or a piece of fabric will do the trick. Attach it to a lightweight frame made of straws, skewers, or even popsicle sticks. 2. The cushioning crusader. This design focuses on absorbing the impact of the fall. Imagine a soft, fluffy cloud gently breaking your egg's fall. Surround your egg with materials like bubble wrap, packing peanuts, cotton balls, or even popcorn. The key is to create a buffer zone that cushions the egg from the harsh impact with the ground. 3. The springy savior. This design utilizes the power of springs or elastic materials to absorb and disperse the force of the impact. Think of those springy toys that bounce back when you drop them. You can use rubber bands, springs, or even cut-up pool noodles to create a protective cage around your egg. 4. The material master. This design encourages experimentation with different materials to find the best combination for protection. Think about the properties of each material. Bubble wrap provides cushioning, while cardboard adds structural support. Combine these materials to create a multi-layered fortress for your egg.